What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel, man. Now, if this is your first time here, man, thank you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, getting right into the kicks, man. The reason that everybody is here, you saw the thumbnail, man. You seen the title. Let's get into it. Here we have the regular old Nike SB purple box, man. Nothing special about the box. Tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Premium WSS. The colorway is Coastal Blue and Coastal Blue. This is a size 9. These joints dropped on sneakers on a shot drop like December 20 something, like right before Christmas. And these joints just came in like last week. And these are clean, bro. I definitely went for my size first, 11 and a half, 12, but struck out. And that's what we stuck with, man. Here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low. Why so sad, man? Super clean colorway, right off the rip, man. Really nice details. It's my favorite little detail, the little skating bird on there, man. Joints is clean, man. Right off the rip, man. These joints are clean. Now, get into the details of the shoe, man. It does come in like a dark royal type of color, bro. Not quite navy, but not quite royal. All the way around on the toe cap, all the way to the back panels, man, with the light blue contrast stitching. I really like that aspect of the shoe a lot. Has that gel outsole with red hits, white midsole, and like a light blue colorway as well on the toe and on the side panels. Now that darker blue is more like a low suede, not really too much back and forth brush motion. But it is a suede. And then that light blue on the toe box and on the side panel is more like a low nubuck. Like I said, no back and forth motion on that one, but the red hit on the back is like a thicker suede. And it's really nice, man. They got that question mark on there for why so sad. On the tongue tag, man, red and yellow Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, man. Super clean, man. It does come with an extra set of laces and that darker, like royalish looking color, man. You can see that cleared up, yeah, like in that dark royalish looking color, man. I like these. I'll probably go with white laces for sure, if I get my personal size, but these joints are nice. Now, another dope detail about this shoe, man, that blue check does like rub off like the Lance Mountains and things like that. The Wings 12s, you hit it with some alcohol, it will rub off, and it turns yellow. You can see that yellow hit on the back underneath of the swoosh. That blue does come off and the swoosh turns yellow underneath there. Super dope, man. I always like that kind of details on shoes, man. I love the hidden layers and things like that, man. This one is a really nice one to me. Some other dope aspects of the shoe, man. I gotta go with the insoles. It does have the Nike SB Why So Sad with like a grid on there, man. Super nice. I like that one. And then the other insole has the skateboard bird on there, man. Super clean. I love a special insole, man. I love extra details. They could have easily just threw a blue insole with the white Nike Air on it, but they went all out, man. I love special insoles, man. Super clean, bro. I really like this shoe a lot. Now, getting back to the shoe, as I said earlier, man, it does have that red hit on the back with the yellow question mark. And on the inside of the tongue, it does have the Why So Sad. Now, a lot of people may be saying, like, what is Why So Sad? Why do they have Why So Sad SB? So Why So Sad is like a mental health campaign, man. It's not necessarily an organization that like deals with mental health, but it's like a campaign just for mental health and depression, man. Just trying to shed a positive light on it, man, and give people the help that they need, man. They don't really do like any like literal counseling or anything, but it's just like a community to where they share health resources and people are sharing their story just to show people that they're not alone. So even if you look on the side of the box, they do have a QR code where you can scan and go to Nike.com/Why So Sad, and it shows like different stories, man, and different resources. Let's check that out real quick. Now, if you look here on the side of the box, like I said, it did have that QR code, and it will take you to NikeSB.com/Why So Sad. And I'm gonna put the screen recording up so you guys can see the website and what it looks like. Going to it. Now, it starts off Nike SB Why So Sad. This page contains personal accounts discussing mental health, suicide prevention, and related topics. It's not a crisis resource. If you or someone is going through a mental health crisis, please contact your local support line for help and information, and you can find an extensive list of services here. But it just goes on to say what Why So Sad is. It was started by a guy named John Rattray, R-A-T-T-R-A-Y. And it just tells like a lot about his story. He is a skateboarder, and he has like tricks called the sad plan, the sad grab. And he just talks about his struggle with depression and even being suicidal twice, man. So if you're dealing with anything like that, definitely tap in to Why So Sad through the Nike SB website. It may be a resource there for you. But I just think it's super dope for Nike and Nike SB to not only put out a shoe, but to actually put out a resource about it and give you a platform that you can go on and look at and just have that conversation with your friends or with yourself, just to show that there are other people out here dealing with the same thing, so you won't feel alone, man. So shout out to Nike SB, man. Shout out to John Rattray for putting that on, man. And it's just a dope idea, man. I believe partial sales of this shoe does go to like mental health organizations and things like that, bro. So solid shoe, man. Not only a clean shoe, but has a great cause behind it as well. But back to the shoes, man. Like I said earlier, I did get these off sneakers on the shock drop. I did strike out on my size, but I ended up with a size 9, man. So we do have SneakerCon in a couple of weeks in San Antonio. I'll be out there, so I'll definitely try to go ahead and swap these for that 11.5, 12. And y'all know I don't really love blue shoes, but this one hits with the extra hits of red and hits of yellow. And that gel also really looks clean with this shoe, man. I know I'm always like kind of hesitant to wear gel bottom shoes, man, because I like to keep my shoes clean. But this one is nice, man. So definitely happy to have this one and just be able to have the opportunity to make the trade or do something like that, bro. But these are clean, man. My favorite hits probably would be the removable blue on the swoosh that turns yellow. I like the contrast stitching, like I said earlier, and definitely like the bird logo on the back, man. Super dope, man. Yeah, leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Did you hit on the shock drop? Did you hit at your local skate shop, man? Just let me know if you like these joints or if you're even looking for them to begin with. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video, man. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing of the Why So Sad SB. Let me know how you guys are feeling about it, man. Leave a comment down below. Once again, man, thank you for stopping by. Until next time on the next video, we got Why So Sad dunks, man. Peace.